On which topic? On which topic we talk? On which topic we talk? Content is missing. There is no content. When you are supposed to speak in English and you feel like it's really hard to speak something as there is nothing in my mind is totally vacant, thoughts are not coming regarding that particular topic, particular scenario, or any situation. You are not able to bring out anything in English. This is the main challenge, and the question arises that how will you overcome such situation? Because it happens when it comes to speaking English, things are not coming, and if things are coming, it's all in our mother tongue, not in English, because we do the translation formation, and it is okay, no problem with this doing the translation formation, because I really do this. I would not say I always say the things without thinking, without just translating. So many times I translate the things, the thoughts into English, then I speak. But it takes time because it's a time consuming process. When you are indulged with that process where you are doing the translation formation, so yes, it happens. It happens that you'll end up getting very confused, perplexed in that, right? So I would say it's not a big task. It is not a hard nut to crack, right? Try to accentuate your thoughts, particular thoughts. Try to clarify that, and then speak, because this is the main problem. As far as I am concerned, this is the problem, and somewhere it's invisible. It's not incorrigible, right? We can just set it in a right way. We have to clear our thoughts step by step, meaning there should be a really nice way of the trails of the thoughts. There is a huge line of the thoughts, trails of the thoughts that you have to work upon. What you exactly think inside, it should be visible to you, and the words you are using, you're speaking, first try to hear them. This way you have to speak. Once you are really good at it, like whatever I'm speaking, am I speaking well, right? Is it the accuracy? Accuracy, it doesn't mean that you have to always be really perfect. Accuracy means be accurate with your thoughts. If you are clear with your thoughts, everything is really clear in your mind, so there is no problem. There is no problem, yes. So I would say just speak with the translation formation wholeheartedly, no problem, but speak something. Do not prevent yourself from speaking, from getting into such conversation where you are supposed to speak in English, because it's really normal thing, and as a result we feel like getting stuck, we go blank as well. So you have to work upon. How will you do so? By just collecting your thoughts. Just collect your thoughts, whatever you are supposed to speak in front of anyone. Try to collect your thoughts, okay, and then get into that conversation. Do not let it be scattered, okay, because when it's scattered, so it becomes problematic for you, and it would be much challenging at the same time. Instead, be focused with your thoughts, right? And talking about getting stuck, getting stumble, it's a normal thing. How will you get over it? By speaking things again and again. Speak out your thoughts. Do not go in a rush. Do not rush through your words. Enjoy your pose. When you take pose, enjoy that. Be relaxed with your pose and then speak. You know, there are some people, they always be ready to pull your leg, to criticize you, and to blame you that you are not good enough. The way you are speaking, the words you are using, not up to the mark. I would say, let them do this. Let them criticize you. It's okay. That's not your problem. It's their problem. It's their opinion. How you perceive yourself, this is the main question here. So be great with you. Do like yourself. Do like the way you speak. Do like the words you used to speak. Do like that pose you take in the conversation. This will intensify your confidence level. At the end of the day, we have to be confident, nothing else. It is your confidence that shows up, and you can defeat anyone with the help of your confidence level. It could be anyone in front of you. You are really confident enough, you are speaking things confidently with clarity, there is no problem. Everything will set in the right place. It's all your choice. So just go, speak wholeheartedly, take poses wherever you want, and then relax. Enjoy your process of this journey. Thank you so much. Bye bye.